What do you think about Andrew Tate? He follows my friend on Twitter.
Yeah?
Yeah, my friend, he changed his name to, you know how they call Andrew Tate the top G? Yeah, he changed his name to the fat G. And he went pretty viral over it. Because he had like a public meltdown in public about Andrew Tate. He was like arguing with a girl about Andrew Tate. And it got filmed and posted everywhere and it went viral. And then Andrew Tate followed him. He unfollowed him? Oh, never mind. Someone told me Andrew Tate unfollowed him. He probably found out his history. I remember when he first blew up, chat, and then under the comments, under all the comments under the video of the Fat G videos, everyone was like loving him and saying, you know, they loved his story about how he was homeless and this and that, and they were like feeling so much pity for him and talking about how they wanted to raise money for him. And I was sitting there thinking, dang, if they only knew his history. And sure enough, his history probably came out.
I don't need it.
Yeah, if I walk across it,
Top G found out that Fat G shot fireworks at a homeless woman trailer and nearly destroyed it. I don't know about all that, but now they know the real motto. Yeah, I was reading all the I sat there and read those comments for so long because they were like, all of them were paragraphs about how much they felt bad for Fat G.
Hello. What the hell was that? Smoke.
It's either a gunshot or a fire.
What? There's smoke. Oh shit! Yo, where's the RV? Fire! Where? Dude, go with Molotov cocktail! Get our drive! Look at the keys, what the fuck? Chicken! Oh my god! Keys! Somebody keys! Chicken! No, call the fire department. Where are the keys?
All the fucking keys! Chicken!
Yeah! God damn it! Holy... Dude, that's not gonna do anything. You're right. I already used the fire extinguisher. There's a fucking kid. Isn't that the kid's still there, dude? Oh my god. Holy shit. Huh. Let's go. We should leave. Oh. RV's already on fire on the other side. No, we can only prevent the fire on the... Oh, I guess it's so hot. You're gonna lose your breath. You're gonna inhale too much smoke. Dude, the only thing you can do is make sure... Think about all the RVs with fuel. There's no, maybe pushing it. I don't know. No, it's a older, it's like a.
People are outside the RV.
Yeah, I know the people out here are out.
Hey, we gotta get to this RV. If some girls.
Yeah, homeless lady with a single mother's child. There's all she has. Yeah. I'm just making sure it doesn't.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, that's what I'm watching for.
Can you look at that shit? No,
I'm gonna just say it. I'm just gonna save it for the RV trailer. That's hot. Yeah, we're watching. Oh shit, get the propane out.
Rose, come here.
Just go get your dog, get your dog. Oh shit. Oh, she's losing it.
No! We gotta get this shit out!
Not yet. Oh my god, shut off valve. Oh my fuck. It's out, it's off.
No, what about these guys? Hey!
Hey, fire's coming. Hey, you got fire right there.
What happens? Hey, is there fire in here already?
Not yet.
What happens with these guys?
Can we kick it? Go. Jacket.
Come on,
Oh, fuck. Hurry.
Oh, the other one, how are we gonna get the other one while it's too hot?
No, I can clear it.
Alright, that's one. Chicken here at the ground. Right there, get it. Look, it's so hot, dude. Alright, I don't know, dude. I don't know about that one. I don't know. I need water, dude.
Oh shit! Move!
Jump up.
Ooh. Oh, okay, I thought that was fun. Yeah, that's the lady. Look out, move. Mondo, move! Mondo, move! You did your best. Oh my god.
I think we can pull it.
Hey.
Go.
No, wait. I'm gonna save this for the inside of our RV. I'm good. A little fires. All right. No, yeah, it's good. I'm gonna make sure. No, I'm gonna kill a fire that's maybe in here. I don't know. No, I think you'll be all right. She's over there. I'm saving this for inside the RV.
Alright, here you go.
How much we can do with that?
Oh, sorry.
Maybe we can give it to her. She might need water for her kids.
Yeah, I can just use it for the one out.
Oh my god.
It's not much water.
You doing? Hey, no, don't. Save it for the RV, dude. Save it for the RV, look.
Alright, the hose is going. Here we go. Hey! They got it. Oh man!
No, yeah, I'm saving it for the RV, dude.
Fuck man, they gotta hurry and get to that side. They don't know this will work either yet.
There's a long. No, I didn't hear any explosion.
You didn't hear the
I just heard
explosion?
crackling. I only heard crackling, and then I was like, what the fuck's that noise? It was a fire.
Fucking explosion was intense.
I didn't hear
It
anything.
was intense.
You heard explosion?
Yeah, it's a fucking explosion, dude.
Okay.
Dude, first thing I thought about when I saw
RV cam caught it.
was the
Really?
girl kid, dude. I wanted to get them the fuck out. Luckily, they're
Yes,
out.
dude, she ran out with a fucking kid. I was like, no way.
Yeah, I had to fucking smash that door to a fucking hooker, dude.
I thought the whole Antifa thing was real the whole time until after I left. But now that I'm looking back at it, and after seeing when I left and they had another attack from Antifa, that was not good. That looks so fake to me. Now it's making me think that doing that shit like it was scripted, and I was the only one not in on it. So it's fake. That looks so fake.
Tones gone fast asleep, snoring fan on its way past how drunken change, legs open but noticing JJ assessing things, sounded like a just to me. Chicken wakes up and thinks Antifa's after 14.
Do you think Mondo did it to like have content, and he didn't realize it was going to catch everything on fire.
Something stuck in my head when Chicken and Mondo went. And what about what they said? No, you can't come with. What was it that we couldn't see? They hit off and drove off stream, going to get fireworks to see. Sometimes I really think Mondo started the fire. It was simply scripting, but Chicken kept kicking, and Mondo started the fire. It was simply scripting, open now, then clipping. Shake up quick, move the RV. After all, your king is speed. Mondo sick, he starts to flee. Headlights off, he starts to sneak. Then comes back when no one leaves. Claims he drove off just a creep, in search of imaginary arsonists and no one seen. We all replayed the tape. No car driving off and wait. Mondo claimed to be awake inside of his backseat. All D1K made me see, pounding on the doors to be. Ain't no set up third degree murder charges on Jose. Mondo started the fire. It was simply scripted, but Chicken kept kicking. Mondo started the fire. It was simply scripted, open now, then clipping. Illegal C4 in the trunk, that's why he sold the truck. Next month he paid off Tom $100, but still he won't shut the fuck up. Now he's mad at Gucci's door, she let her fill her little hole. All of this because she said he's a felon now, I guess.
Defending my name because people really think I did this shit.
He's always researching guns, he's the type for explosives. Army meals, cool knives and stuff. Macho Mondo's matching up. Families dead and fast asleep. Flames are roaring 20 feet. Mother wakes up to his screams. There's a fire, come on please. Mondo started the fire. It was simply scripted, but Chicken kept kicking. Mondo started the fire. It was simply scripted, open now, then clipping.
When me and him were filling out the police report, and no, you were there when you were like 10 feet away.
Yeah, he almost put everyone. I literally tried putting him out the fucking fire when that shit started catching. He almost killed the thing.
Hey, you got fire right there.